welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to set up Verizon Wi-Fi. To set up Verizon Wi-Fi, what you need to do is firstly download the My Verizon app on your phone, or what else you can do is place the gateway. Put your gateway in an open space near a window on an upper floor. Avoid thick walls, metal objects, and microwaves to get the best signal. Secondly, what you can do is turn it on. Connect the power adapter to the gateway and plug it into a wall outlet. Wait for a LED light on the device to turn solid white. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, what you can do is connect and activate. Open the My Verizon app on your phone and log into your activated new service. And next, the app will ask you to connect to the default Wi-Fi network. Find this temporary Wi-Fi name and password on the sticker located on the bottom or back of your router or gateway. Fourthly, what you can do is change your Wi-Fi name and password. You can keep using the default Wi-Fi, but it's easier to customize it. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.